trucks. Let's go. And they start to look around to figure out which way do we want to go. Trucks versus SUVs. Cord Dillon to 98. Forward in reverse. Come down. Now we're going to get a hit on the cord, the red flag. Red flag comes up on the arena. Red flag on the arena. Red flag up in the arena. We're going to have to reset a time green. We'll go back green here. Back in the green is the number 18 along the west wall. And the number 18 of Pierce Hamill, Hamilton Rod and Refire are getting something going on to the drivetrain. Hamill in the 18 along the west wall. Going to break off. So one down on the truck/big SUVs. Now the number 98. Comes all the way up to the north end, goes to number 33 now. Leonard down to the SUV. Pushes Jerry McDaniel down to the south end. Now the X. Adam Stevenson sitting in his Chevy. Finally, Adam Stevenson trying to refire the Chevy down to the south end. McDaniel comes down, goes after in defeat the Corey Pease. Billy France in the number 13. He circled around. Here comes Cord Dillon. Dillon, brake light. Top brake light still working on that. Number 33. R.J. Leonard. Leonard's now going to get a bit off on. Number 33, R.J. Leonard's dropped down. Drivetrain issues on Leonard. Got that Durango up to the north end. Sarah Ann McDaniel. Here comes Pease. Pease forward. Cord Dillon now goes out to the north end. Now here comes Corey Pease. He's going to come down hard. Oh. dropping out. One went fourth. Now Cord Dillon. Here comes McDaniel. McDaniel into the backside. In there, right. Red flag comes out of the field. Red flag out of the field. Bristol.
Yep.
Muldoon seeing something underneath Corey Pease is 218. They'll back away McDaniel as they'll shoot. Monroeville Fire Department comes out and shoots underneath the 218 of Corey Pease. 98, Cord Dillon sitting in his big SUV over on the east wall.
Stuck on the wall?
Oh, yeah.
The Ford product on Sarah Ann McDaniel. Back under green. And Corey Pease back underway. Gets into the front end. You hear the tire popping on McDaniel's front end. Red flag again back underneath. There's again something underneath Corey Pease's 218. So they'll put the red back out. Bristol make sure Sarah Ann is shutting it down on the number 12 before he climbs in. Again, looks underneath the 218. Safety crews out of Monroeville. 218.
He got rocked.
Oh my God.
Go, Billy!
Really dog got it.
He ran that truck last night. And then his drive shaft broke.
Back under green is Corey Pease. Safety crews checking underneath Corey Pease. Back on the, and he backs up Sarah Ann McDaniel to the middle of the arena. As now she's back on the gas, gonna try to, Pease spins around. Scrapes the right side scrape on now Pease gonna bring in a big back end into the right side, hard on Sarah Ann McDaniel. Sarah Ann trying to refire the Ford as Pease down to the south end, 10-15 feet, brings it in again. Sarah Ann McDaniel now both of the vehicles stop.
He's on fire again.
And again, looks like something coming out underneath the front end of Corey Pease. Red flag back on the field. And both vehicles, the truck and the SUV, stall.
I don't think I've ever actually watched it.
Corey Pease climbing out. Too many fires underneath the 218. So that win will go to Sarah Ann McDaniel. Give her a big round of applause. Back-to-back wins in the Ford. Sarah Ann McDaniel's out of Monroeville. Back-to-back wins Friday and Saturday night here at Hoagland as Corey Pease fire underneath the hood too many times tonight here at Hoagland, bringing the safety crews into the arena. He breaks off. The win will go to Sarah Ann McDaniel out of Monroeville, Indiana. Congratulations with a back-to-back, a repeat winner here in the truck division at Hoagland.